Xfinity Error Code BOOT indicates your cable box isn't starting up correctly. This error appears on X1 or Flex devices when the system fails to boot properly. The error is often caused by power issues, such as unstable electricity or faulty power supplies. Signal problems from damaged or loose coaxial cables can also trigger the boot error. Additionally, software glitches or corrupted data may prevent proper startup. In many cases, you can resolve this yourself through simple troubleshooting steps. The first thing to try when encountering Xfinity Error Code BOOT is a simple power cycle. Unplug your Xfinity cable box from the power outlet for 60 seconds. This resets the box's internal capacitors and clears temporary faults, mimicking a full reboot without data loss. Then, plug it back in and wait for it to restart. This first-line fix resolves up to 95% of boot errors according to Xfinity support data. A loose or damaged coax cable can disrupt the signal and cause the boot error. The coax cable carries the TV signal from the wall outlet to your Xfinity box. Make sure the coax cable is securely connected to both your Xfinity box and the wall outlet. Loose connections can interrupt the signal flow. Inspect the cable for any bends, kinks, or damage. Physical damage can cause signal loss and trigger the boot error. If you find damage, consider replacing the coax cable. A new cable ensures reliable signal transmission and prevents boot errors. If power cycling and coax cable checks don't resolve the boot error, try performing a system refresh. You can initiate this through the Xfinity My Account app or by using voice commands with your Xfinity voice remote. During the system refresh, you'll see a message indicating the process is in progress. The refresh can take up to 10 minutes, and it's important not to unplug or power off the set-top box during this time. This system refresh resets the box's software to factory defaults, effectively clearing any corrupted data or app caches that may have been causing the boot error. Sometimes the boot error stems from a faulty power supply. Ensure your Xfinity box is plugged directly into a wall outlet or a surge protector, not an overloaded power strip. Try a different outlet to rule out electrical issues. Signal interference from nearby electronics or 5G towers can trigger the boot error, especially in urban environments. Consider moving your Xfinity box away from other devices that might cause interference. Xfinity may offer free signal boosters if interference is a persistent issue in your area. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the boot error persists, it's time to contact Xfinity support. The issue might be related to a broader outage in your area, a hardware problem with your box, or an account-specific issue. Check the Xfinity app or website for reported outages in your area. As Xfinity shifts towards streaming services and smart home integration, boot errors are expected to decrease. Regular maintenance, surge protectors, and avoiding overloaded outlets will reduce occurrences. Look out for AI-driven diagnostics in the future, potentially resolving boot errors automatically.